I have been on a journey of self-reflection lately, and that has truly put life into perspective for me in multiple ways. I am particularly curious about our way of existence as human beings, and as I explore this topic, it becomes evident that obedience plays a significant role in our lives. You know exactly what I am talking about if you grew up in a household where you constantly heard the phrase, "my house, my rules." If you are a man or woman of God, you are also required to follow certain guidelines as a moral code. And as a member of society, you are expected to obey the law and not infringe on anyone's rights. Being obedient in those circumstances is more or less acceptable depending on your values. But that is not exactly where my focus is. I am rather interested in the way obedience impacts us in other aspects of our existence. For example, many people are addicted to comfort. They always want to play it safe. But the truth is, they have allowed themselves to listen to and obey that internal voice, which often tells them they are not good enough. And as a result, they become prisoners of that obedience. You see, even if you have the greatest of ideas, if you keep doubting yourself, you will self-sabotage in a way as you continually find ways to feed those negative thoughts. Whenever someone exhibits a certain will and a type of commitment towards certain things, they become special in our eyes. But it is not necessarily because they are smarter than us. And in many cases, they are not motivated any more than us. The only difference is that certain people have the ability to silence those internal voices that keep them from committing to their objectives. And so, in order to prosper in anything, whether it relates to your job or your business, you need to have the power to silence those internal voices full of negativity by disobeying their commands. And if you harness that power, you will no longer listen to your fears. Your creativity will expand, and you will finally start making strides towards your ambitions.